Assalamu alaikum. I'm back again with another YouTube video and I hope you all are doing well. Now, you might be wondering, Ayaana, what's got you smiling? Why are you excited? Well, today, guys, I received a very nice package sent to me in the mail from the one and only Quest Nutrition, guys. They sent me this huge package. Obviously, it's bigger than my head, and my head is in a rectangle, but they sent me this huge package, and they even sent me this cute note that says, well, on the back it has Quest Nutrition, and it says, Ayaana, welcome to the Quest Squad, hashtag on a Quest, Team Quest, guys, hashtag on a Quest, guys. They're so sweet. They sent me this big package full of stuff, and I just wanted to share with you guys what I got today, and like show my appreciation towards Quest. You guys should definitely check out Quest Nutrition. There are protein bars, there are chips, there are cookies. 10 out of 10. Excellent, honestly. Anyway, it came in this cute package. Obviously, I did open it because I got a little bit too excited, but it has this nice little Quest sticker with the fancy parchment paper. You see, I'm so very mindful at opening it. I opened it very carefully just for you guys. Otherwise, this box would have been ripped to shreds if I wasn't planning on it. But first, okay, guys, we have a t-shirt. Who doesn't love a free t-shirt, guys? Right here. Quest Squad. Oh, that's a very awkward angle to hold the t-shirt. Okay, guys, you don't need to look at my face. Just look at the t-shirt. You can see me from the corner, from the armpits, guys. But Quest Squad Quality Este 2016. And it's a nice triangle, guys. Very nice shirt. Very comfortable, you know. This is nice. I'm like so excited for it. I don't know why, but nobody's ever sent me any packages before. So this is like really cool for the first time. So if you guys want to send me something, I mean. And then we have a towel because we all know when you go to the gym, you'll be sweating a lot. Especially me. Somehow when I like work out normally, it's like I don't sweat as much. But as soon as I go to the gym, it's like I start sweating. So this is very useful. Hashtag, oh, that hit me in the eye. Hashtag on a Quest, guys. If you ever need a towel, I got you. Well, I don't know if I'll share a towel with you, but you guys know what I mean. Next, we have a mysterious box, guys. They gave me a box. A box in a box. I wonder what is in here. And it's a mug. Oh, that was very bad ASMR. Anyway, it's a mug. It's very nice. You know, you have to stay hydrated, whether that be in a means of drinking coffee and acting like you're being hydrated or actually drinking water. This is a very nice, high-quality mug, and it's metal, so it's going to keep your thing insulated. It might not have a lid, but it's very cute. It has Quest Squad. You can drink your coffee, you can drink your tea, you can just drink whatever you guys want. And it comes in a box. Who would have thought? A box in a box. But it's special. Okay, next we have some, what is this? Oh, ready to go on a quest with Quest Squad, guys? They sent me some business cards. You can never go wrong with that. Okay, next is like the best part. It's the food part, if you know anything about me. This is what always has me excited. So first up, we have birthday cake batter protein bars. I love birthday cake. People call me basic. Like, why do you like birthday cake? It's just like vanilla. No. To me, there's a difference because the sprinkles and the frosting, they make a difference, guys. So we have birthday cake protein bars, 20 grams of protein. You gotta get that protein in, and why not through a yummy means? Next, I love this flavor too, cookies and cream. I love anything cookies, any cream, any combination. Those two are my go-to combination. Any birthday cake flavor stuff, any cookies and cream stuff, sign me up. I'm all here for it. And you guys already know, I love peanut butter, and I love cookies. So why not a peanut butter cookie, guys? And to top it all off, why not your normal chocolate chip one? And you know, I just love them so much that they sent me 2 of each, guys. They sent me 2 of each. They're too sweet. They're fulfilling my addiction for cookies, but in a healthy way. I love cookies, and I love soft cookies, and these, like, you can tell just by holding them, they're soft. And I couldn't even imagine, like, if you microwaved it, how much tastier it would be. Okay, drumroll please. Our finale, the most iconic Quest product, which I always see online. People hype it up, people rave about it, but I've actually never tried this flavor protein bar. But it is the chocolate chip cookie dough protein bar. And I really like chocolate. I just love everything sweet. I'm like out here saying, I really love this. I really love this. Like, you guys probably think I'm biased or something, but I really love these flavors. And they're like iconic flavors. I'm pretty sure these are the most popular ones, which I can see why. And I'm very excited to try this protein bar, and especially because it's one of their most popular ones. The ones I see like online all the time. And I love chocolate chip cookies. You know, you can't go wrong with that. Sometimes I do eat the dough like raw, but it's the edible version, okay? So it says on the package, bake or eat raw. So like, okay, I might be eating it raw because sometimes the raw cookie dough just tastes better, in my opinion. Anyway, I'm so thankful, alhamdulillah, for Quest for sending me this package, guys. Thank you so much for you guys at Quest. Jazakallahu khairan. If you don't know, that means thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. The towel, the kind note with my name on it too, guys, and they even spelled it right, unlike Starbucks. But anyway, I'm so excited to be a part of Quest Squad and to be receiving such a cool package in the mail and sharing it with you guys. And hopefully I can get other opportunities like this in the future, inshallah, because I have no problem working with other brands. So if you guys want to hit me up, you know, you can find all my social media links in the description below. And be sure to check out my website, ayaana.com, guys. Look at this literary oasis board. You guys will see what this is for in upcoming videos, hopefully, inshallah. But I won't spoil that for you guys now. Anyway, check out my website, ayaana.com. Be sure to like and follow. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my Amazon storefront where you can find all my latest books, all my books, and my newest book called A Gunslinger's Heart, which is a Western novel if y'all are interested in that. But anyway, thank you to Quest. Thank you to all of you guys. And I'll hopefully see you guys in the next video soon, inshallah. Peace out and Quest on. Please forgive me, Quest. I don't know.